heavy rainfall has caused a devastating storm, leading to disasters such as mudslides. This has resulted in extensive flooding of farmland, homes, and industrial buildings, along with other environmental changes. In particular, the regions of Jablanica in Bosnia and the surrounding area of Konjic have experienced unusual levels of rainfall, resulting in flash floods. These floods occurred at night while most people were asleep, causing their homes to be submerged in water in an instant. Authorities have confirmed that at least 21 people have died in this disaster, including one child, and at least 10 individuals are still missing. Dozens of people have been injured, many of whom are in critical condition. On Sunday, rescue teams from the European Union worked alongside neighboring countries to clear debris and search for the missing. Rescue operations are ongoing due to destructive flooding and landslides in various parts of the Balkan region. Government sources report that roads have been washed away for kilometers, and nearly all bridges have collapsed. Electricity connections are completely cut off as power poles have been swept away. Phone lines have also failed, resulting in a breakdown of communication systems.